Good morning. This is Charlene Davis coming to you. I just wanted to record a really quick video this morning about just a couple of quick, easy steps when you're getting started with the Power Lead system. There's a couple of things that you need to do right away when you get started and you get signed up. And they are super easy. We have videos to go through all of it. But I just wanted to show you step by step how I did it when I first got started. So when you get started, you're going to come to this screen after you log in. And the first thing you're going to do is go here and it says click the easy button. Start here. So they really can't make it any easier than that. So you'll go ahead and you'll click on that. And wherever there is a video, you will want to watch that video. It just helps you get through the process a whole lot faster. So make sure you watch this video. Step number 1, join the Facebook group. So Power Lead System as a company has their own Facebook group. I am part of the Freedom Takers group, which is just our team name inside the Power Lead system. And if you're on my team, I will send you an email with the link to that particular Facebook group. It's just our individual team. But to join the company Facebook group, you definitely want to click here. It's a very active Facebook group. A lot of interaction, not by only the members, but by the owners as well. They're very, very active in the business and participating with the people who promote the Power Lead system. Then you go on to step number 2. And in this video up here, it's going to talk about these referral links. Referral link 1 is you're going to promote the free lead system. And referral link 2 is if you have a primary business outside the Power Lead system and you want to promote that business, you can attach that link into the Power Lead system. So when you send out an email through the Power Lead system, or if you decide to promote the Power Lead system, this referral link will always be attached to everything that you do. So it gives people another area to click on when they're getting an email from you. And step 3, advertise your links. And then simply update this if you've updated any information here. I'm going to highly recommend that you scroll down then and take a quick tour about how the system works and what is in there. It's kind of a nice brief overview. And then there'll be a video in here about how to market my link. Now, marketing your link, you can do free traffic, which we teach in our Freedom Takers group, or you can do paid traffic, which we also have a co-op program in our Freedom Takers group. All of that information, if you're a member of my team, I will email that to you. It does just shorten the learning curve just a little bit more because we teach you how to do that, along with a 90-day training program that our Freedom Takers group is currently doing. So that's how we get started with the Power Lead system in just a couple of quick, easy steps. Then I know I covered this in another video, but then you're going to want to add your domain name. Again, this blue arrow right here shows you a video about how to do that. Watch the video first. Then you'll come in here and you're going to add your domain. If you have a domain outside of the Power Lead system, you can add that domain here, and you can transfer it into PLS by simply, here it says, I have a domain that I've been using for years. How do I bring it here? Click here, and it's going to give you the instructions. It's so simple. They cannot lay it out for you any better. However, if you are new to online and you don't have a domain, don't go anywhere else to get it. It's super easy if you just buy it within PLS. It's $12.97 for the entire year. Just go down here and choose something. Now, I'm going to tell you, choose something that has to do maybe with you, because this is the first step in branding yourself, and it's very important when you're working online to begin branding yourself. and coming up with a domain that people are going to remember. So maybe use something with your name in it. Not, quick money here or something like that. That tends to turn people away. Mine is charlenesfreedompath.com. A lot of people will use maybe their first name hyphen last name. If it's a short name, maybe it's first and last name, or work with and your name. Just something that starts to tell a story about you. Number one, it's also easier to remember. And you don't want the system to assign you a domain name because it becomes a crazy domain that sometimes is long with a series of letters and numbers that nobody can remember anyway. So do those couple of things first. Get your domain set up, and you will be on your way to being able to start running traffic to your link. And any questions, I am always here to help. Once you get started, if you come in as a diamond level or above, I will go in and set up all of your funnels for you. And I can also check to make sure that you have some of this stuff on the inside set up correctly. So subscribe to my YouTube channel. Find me on Facebook. The link is below. Ask questions. We are, as a team, are here to help you succeed. I'm here to help you succeed. I want to be the sponsor that will help you, whatever your goals may be. So let's get started today, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.